So we are going to do now about surface of revolution. So it is same as volume of revolution. In volume of revolution, we are rotating about the x-axis and y-axis to find the volume of that curve, but here we are going to find the surface area of that curve. Okay, so if the curve is given as y equal to fx and it is rotating about the x-axis, then the formula is given by this. Okay, so this is rotating about the x-axis. Now if the equation is given in the parametric form and it is rotating about the x-axis, then the formula is s equal to 2 pi integration t1 to t2 y square root of dx by dt whole thing square plus dy by dt whole thing square dt. But if it is rotating about the y-axis, then this will be 2 pi integration t1 to t2 x square root of dx by dt whole thing square plus dy by dt whole thing square dt. So this is just here, it will be changed to x when it is rotating about the y-axis. Now you have the curve, suppose y is equal to fx only, but we are rotating about the y-axis. Then the formula is changing from s equal to 2 pi c2d x square root of 1 plus dx by dy whole thing square dy. So if the curve is expressed in polar form, we always have, if the x curve is written as r equal to f theta, so here we'll have always x equal to r cos theta, comma y equal to r sine theta. Okay, we had y equal to r sine theta. Then but we have this formula, so this formula, this is rotating about the x-axis. Okay, so s equal to 2 pi theta 1 to theta 2 y square root of r square plus dr by d theta square dt d theta. Okay, d theta. But if it is rotating about the y-axis, then this formula will be changed to s equal to 2 pi integration theta 1 to theta 2 x square root of r square plus dr by d theta whole thing square d theta. So find the surface area. Here we are going to do one question. So we are going to find the surface area of the sphere generated by the circle x square plus y square equal to a square about the x-axis. So in here we have the diagram of the sphere, of the circles. Okay, so the surface area which is generated by here and the surface area which is generated here, it is same. So instead of finding the surface area of the whole thing, we'll just find the surface area of this part. Okay, so we'll take the limit from 0 to a and you multiply with 2. So here we are multiplying the surface area with 2. So here we have the equation x square plus y square equal to a square. You find what is dy by dx. So if you differentiate x square, we get 2x. If you differentiate y square, we get 2y dy by dx, and differentiation of constant is 0, so we get 0 here. From there you try to find what is dy by dx. So we are finding dy by dx, we get here minus x by y. So s equal to 2 into the formula for surface area rotating about the x-axis. So this is the formula. So we have 2 pi 0 to a y square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole thing square dx. Now we'll put the value of dy by dx. So we get minus xy whole thing square dx. So if you square this one, we get y square plus x square y square dx. So y square and this can cancel. So we get y and y will get cancelled. So x square plus y square, we know from the equation of the circle is nothing but it is a square. So we put here a square. So square root of a square is a. So we get 4 pi a is constant. We get 0 to a dx. So we try to integrate dx. So if we integrate dx, we get nothing but x. So we have the limit from 0 to a. So we'll put the upper limit and give minus 10 and put the lower limit. So we get the answer to be 4 pi a square. So here also I'm giving you some homeworks to do. So this is y equal to x square. So this is a parabola in the upward parabola. And this x equal to 0 and x equal to root 2 is given. So but you have to rotate about the y-axis. Okay, so since we are rotating about the y-axis, we have to get the coordinate about the y-axis, y coordinate. So x, when x is 0, what is y? Y is 0. When x is root 2, you put here root 2, what you'll get? Y you'll get 2. So the limit will be from 0 to 2. Okay, 0 to 2, and this formula, instead of 2, we should not write this 2. Okay, and this formula will be 2 pi 0 to 2. Okay, 0 to 2 here will be x square root of 1 plus dx by dy whole thing square dy. So that will be your formula. And for this is same, it is in the first quadrant only. Okay, so it is in the first quadrant. The formula will be same as here. It will be 2 pi, only don't write 2. So it will be 2 pi 0 to a y square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole thing square dx. And the limit will be also 0 to 2, because it is only in the first quadrant. Okay, so you just have to find in the first quadrant. So this is a equation of the parabola, and it is about the lattice rectum. So this is the diagram of a parabola about the lattice rectum. So the limit will be from 0 to a. Okay, and we have to find the surface area. So this will be same, just don't write this 2. We get 2 pi integration 0 to a y square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole thing square dx. So it's used in this method, and you try to find these questions. Try to solve this question. Thank you.